In today's competitive farm machinery landscape, OEMs expect reliable solutions, global consistency, and a partner that understands how fast they're evolving. Their needs come down to two things: a best-in-class product and a dependable, future-ready partnership. Extend India delivers this and more. Our loaders are designed with the end user in mind. From transparent pricing to dedicated capacity and a long-term mindset, we build for what OEMs truly value. The full product line is tested in Europe with in-house end-to-end manufacturing in India. This approach has guided our work with global OEMs and long-term partners. Today, we're opening our doors to give you an exclusive look inside Extend India. This is a fully integrated manufacturing site. From design to dispatch, every stage is managed in-house, giving us full control over quality, timelines, and cost. Let us take a closer look at our manufacturing processes. We start with sheet metal transformation. We use high-definition plasma machines, bearing hypertherm sources. We utilize statistical process control as a method to monitor and control our cuts in real time, taking dynamic corrective actions to ensure that dimensions remain within tolerance limits. Next, we move to welding. Our industrialization team designs and manufactures 100% of our fixtures in-house. This lets us manage welding distortion and guarantees out-of-fixture conformity. Our welders are certified and trained in-house by IWE welding engineers. They use Fronius pulse machines, which ensure precision with low smoke and minimal spatter. We perform regular penetration checks on critical welds to maintain structural integrity. This shop floor can accommodate welding up to 7,000 loaders per year, with dedicated lines available for you. Next, our painting line. It starts with shot blasting to prepare the surface. We then apply a dual coat system of epoxy primer and polyurethane top coat, certified to withstand 1,000 hours of SST and QUVB testing. The paint is applied using electrostatic guns for a smooth and uniform finish. We ensure a perfect color match so that the loader blends seamlessly with your tractor. Finally, our assembly and testing line. We source all of our components in India, keeping the logistics chain secure. We assemble every loader onto a bench that replicates your tractor, ensuring a perfect fit each time. On the same bench, we then connect the loader hydraulically and operate it to test every hydraulic function, ensuring a smooth leakage-free operation. Once cleared, it is either mounted directly onto your tractor or packed as per your specifications and dispatched to you. We've shown you how we deliver field-proven lifting solutions. Now, let's talk about what we can build together. Reach out to your Extend point of contact today.